What if the thing you've been crying to Allah for is the very thing Allah is trying to protect you from? What if that door that keeps closing isn't a punishment, but protection? Today, I want you to stop looking at what you lost and start asking yourself what Allah may have saved you from. You don't need to understand every closed door. You only need to trust the one who closed it. We think rejection means we're not good enough. But what if the closed door is actually mercy? Sometimes we think a closed door means Allah has forgotten us. We think an unanswered dua means Allah isn't listening. What if the no is actually protection? Allah's greatest gifts don't look like gifts when they first arrive. Sometimes they look like endings. Sometimes they look like rejection. Sometimes they look like unanswered prayers. But eventually, you may look back and say, Ya Allah, thank you for not giving me what I thought I wanted. May Allah give us the strength to accept His decree. Before you scroll, if this reminder benefited you even a little, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video so more people can see it. Follow and subscribe to Islam Inside for daily Qur'an recitations, du'as, and Islamic reminders that bring hearts closer to Allah.